Innovation is in the DNA of this company. We're going through a digital transformation program where the main objective is to enhance the guest experience and create the memories that our guests want to create. Veeam is a very important tool for us. It actually helps us to have the peace of mind that our data is always going to be available.
Hyper-availability in my world means readily available at any point in time that I need it. Veeam helps me by enabling to most efficiently get my data restored as quickly as possible in any situation I encounter. These ships do not move without having data. So it's critical that data is available and data is backed up.
Royal Caribbean operates 49 ships. Every cruise ship has an onboard data center, and every cruise ship uses Veeam to protect their data. So we've got a system on the ship to track passengers to embark and debark the cruise ship. On embarkation day, at 6 a.m., I get a call that the system went down. And within 30 minutes, that system was up and running using Veeam, which allowed our passengers to disembark on time. Veeam makes sure our 3 petabytes are hyper-available.
That's a lot of data.
It's a good amount of data.
But this data is growing, so I guess that in 2 years we're going to be anywhere in between 5 petabytes to 6.
In terms of scalability, that's one of the reasons we chose Veeam. We need a product that will grow with us.
The main advantage Veeam gives us is the ease of use. If you could read the screen, you could recover your data. It's very simple.
Veeam enables us to spend more time focusing on our passengers and less time having to do extended training.
Veeam actually gives us this peace of mind that we don't even have to think about it. It's not even in our minds anymore.